YouTube, and welcome to part 6 of how to make a survival game in Unity. And I have something really cool for you today. I have a crosshair on both the gun and on the outside. Both of them are really accurate. So as you can see, I'll pause the game over here. Go back to the game. We have a crosshair outside here. Crosshair. I don't know how to say it. I don't even know how to spell it. But I know these things on Call of Duty, Battlefield. It's everywhere. So we have one outside and one on our scope. So let's use the one on the outside first, and let's see if it works. So I'm gonna aim at this guy. Yes, it works perfectly, and we can even shoot guys in the air now. And I have one bug that happened to me. When I shoot, it's black, the muzzle flash, and don't worry about that. That's only for me. I made a mistake while I was making my crosshair, and I added the texture of it to my muzzle flash, and I'm just gonna keep it like that for a while until I have time to fix it. Okay, so we used the one on the outside. Now let's use the one on the inside. I'm aiming at it on the inside, and it works. Wait, let me see. So we have to get them inside the scope, and then once we aim at them, it works. And as you can see, if our outside crosshair is on the enemy, then the inside crosshair is also on the enemy. And it's really cool, and it's so simple that it might only take around 10 minutes. So this tutorial is going to be really small. So let's get straight into it. First off, we're going to go into 2D. No, wait, before that, we're going to make our crosshair. And this is the fun part. This is where you get freedom. So open up Photoshop. You will need Photoshop for this tutorial because that's what I'm using. And I'm going to make a new file, 90 by 90, the size in pixels. Make sure it's pixels. Okay, now I'm going to zoom in. Okay, layer from background, and okay. And now Command A, Control A, and then press delete or backspace. I'm pretty sure I haven't used Windows yet. Sorry. Okay, now click on the black color, shape, rectangle tool. Okay, and you're gonna want to make it as precise as possible. So I'm just gonna make it like that. And I'm gonna align it in the middle and then drag it down. I don't know. Okay, now I'm going to right click on that, duplicate layer, and now drag this up. And you just want to get into the middle. Okay, so around that, it's really your choice. I'm gonna go down a little, and you can actually make whatever you want. I'm just gonna do something different. I'm just gonna add like a red color circle, maybe. You can do honestly whatever you want. I'm not going to restrict you, and I'm just going to make this red. It looks really ugly, so just going to change the opacity. Yeah, we'll change the opacity altogether at the end. And I'm going to add another rectangle. Black. Oh no. Red. And then I'm gonna drag you across like this. And I'm gonna make it black. And just do whatever you want. It's honestly your choice. Yeah, like that, and then drag this underneath. It honestly looks really ugly, but who cares? I don't care honestly. Okay, now click all of these. Opacity. We'll make a new. We'll copy some crosshairs later, but I just want to show you the basics. 70. Oh, looks dodgy. Okay, what we want to do is 100, and the all of these I want to make on a 70 or maybe 80. Just the black lines for me. And we're going to make this just a little bit lower. Actually, no, let's keep it full. I'm just going to keep it like that. You can do whatever you want. It's honestly your choice. And I'm going to make it as a PNG and I called it cross. Okay. Now, once you have your cross here, you're going to drag it into your Unity project somehow. I wish I bought a Retina, just like the bigger MacBooks with the bigger screen size. It would really be helpful. And we have made a mistake.
You think your world is safe?
Wait, there's something very wrong with this. Oh, okay, so it was on texture. Change it from texture to Sprite 2D or UI. Okay, once you do that, go into 2D and where we added the respawn, and make sure you click apply. Where we added the respawn a menu. Alright, click game object UI image. Okay. And we're going to size it to a 30 by 30. No, not position, sorry, 30. 30 by 30. And now position, make sure it's 0.5 by 0.5. Okay. Now drag your crosshair into the sprite area. And that is for the outside. Okay. Now let's add the crosshair for the inside of the screen. So go to your FPS controller and open Machine Pistol, go into Cube 1 and now click on the zoomed camera, go down. Okay, I'm just going to delete this so I can show you. And it should be like this so far. So you should see that red dot and that thing, and when I aim with my crosshair, it should work. Yeah. Oh, I'm using the wrong thing. Sorry. Wait. Sorry, I'm using the wrong one. Wait, what's happening here? Why is mine zoomed camera? Oh, I'm going to create a new render texture. I think something went wrong when I was experimenting. And I'm going to go into my camera and put my new render texture here. And add my new render texture to this guy. Okay. Yeah, I just need to do that. You don't need to do that, by the way. Okay, so once you have your cube and stuff, now click on this arrow. So click on the cube and click on this arrow with your render texture name over there. Okay, now grab your crosshair from here and drag it into your metallic area. Now you can kind of see it, but now you're going to drag it from there into the detail mask, and now you're going to drag it from there into the detail albedo thing. I can't say it, sorry. Okay, now go out and you can see it, and you can shoot from within or by going out. So boom, and that's actually pretty much it for this tutorial. And if I just wanted to extend this tutorial a little bit because it didn't even go for 10 minutes, so I'm just going to be showing you a little bit of gameplay so far. And how we're going to be doing that is actually by increasing the amount of mobs or bad guys, it depends what you want to call them. And I'm gonna drag him up here. I don't want too many ninjas because they don't look too evil. I'm sorry, ninjas, you have failed your job. And I'm just gonna drag them out, and last but not least, we're going to drag all of these guys out and see if we can survive this. And I'm going to teach you how to build the game now. So build settings. Make sure these two are ticked in here. And now click Mac OS X or Windows, depending on which one you're on, or maybe even Linux. But that's really your choice. It depends what you're on. And choose your architecture. So like 32-bit or 64-bit. I'm actually gonna. I'm 32. Okay. We can even build for Xbox. Amazing. There's unlimited things we can do. If you check out my website, I have exported a game to web player and I've imported it into my website. It's toptech.extendhost.wordpress.com, and I'm gonna click build and run now, and in my desktop I'm gonna call it survival game. This game is playable right now. This is like the alpha testing stage, and I'll see you back when it's done, because it takes quite a while. Bye bye. Game built. I'm gonna save my project and save my scene, because that's the tutorial for today, and I'm just gonna play. You can click off this video if you want to, but I'm gonna play the game. So just a sec. Accidentally made it for web player, so I'm just gonna download the Unity web player, because I'm running it on Safari and I haven't installed the web player yet. But I just want to tell you that Unity games that you export do not work on Chrome. They used to, but now for some reason it doesn't work anymore. So in future tutorials, I'm going to teach you how to import a game onto a WordPress website or any other website using a database and a few other cool things. And I have heaps of tutorials in store for you guys. And in part 7, we're going to make heaps of changes. And we're also going to be making, let's see, I have a list of things that I want to do by the end of this series, sorry. And one of them was a random mob generation, which I really want to finish by part 8 or part 7. And just gonna click trust. Okay, the game starts, hopefully. Pause. Do I need to pause, or? Yeah, I need to pause. Started, it looks sick. And I'm just gonna click start game, because that's the only option we have. And hopefully it works. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh wow, oh, this game is so cool. I might, this game though, every now and then we will make a gameplay like this, of us actually playing. Ah, come on, this game is so hard. Hey, I'm just gonna camp up here. Die, little boy. I like using the crosshair on the outside because it's like more accurate, I think. And soon we're gonna be adding like box colliders for the head, a different box collider for the body, and by doing this we can actually remove more health if we hit it on the head, and remove less health if we hit on the hip, and it will be amazing. I want to get an air shot. Boom! So this game is so fun. Normally I like making series, but I never actually finish. But this one I think I might actually finish. Did you see that air shot that I got up there? That's just pure skill. Oh, I cleared it. I won. I won. People, I won. Are you coming? It does follow me. And that's pretty much it, guys. And hope you had fun for this tutorial so far. and I'll see you in part 7 where we create heaps of cool stuff. And I hope you like these videos. If you do, please subscribe, comment, and even share, and make sure you like. And thanks for watching. See you next time. And sorry about the short video. Bye bye.